Hello, good evening, friends. Today I'm going to discuss the preparation and properties of nitrogen trioxide or dinitrogen dioxide. So, this is also a type of oxide, as we have a study that is nitric oxide, nitrous oxide. Similarly, this is the dinitrogen trioxide. The formula is N2O3 is there. Okay. Now, what is the important thing? That is the preparation is also important, and which preparation is important, that is laboratory method is important. Laboratory, other methods of preparation is not that much of important for competitive exam, but laboratory method is important. And laboratory method, how we prepare for the nitric oxide, NO, and nitrogen tetroxide. Nitrogen tetroxide means N2O4. Okay, if you treat this with the 2 mole of nitric oxide at 250 Kelvin temperature 250 Kelvin, so it will give dinitrogen trioxide N2O3. So here is 2 mole. So the number of oxygen 2 3 is 6, 4 to 6, that is valence. And this is our required compound, that is dinitrogen. Dinitrogen means 2 nitrogen is there. So dinitrogen trioxide. Trioxide means 3 oxygen atom are there. What are other methods of preparation? Like that, other method is nitric oxide. If you are treating with NO2, nitrogen dioxide, so it will also give the N2O3. Okay, so whether you are treating with the nitrogen tetroxide and nitrogen dioxide, both are the same only, because it exists in the form of dimer like that. So both are the same, only phases are different. Now third one is quite different. Third one is what? Okay, arsenic oxide is there. Okay, As2O3, and this, if As2O3 is treated with nitric acid HNO3 along with the 2 mole of water molecule, if you are taking 2 mole of water molecule, so it will give nitrogen trioxide. This is, that is N2O3 plus 2 AS, no, no, 2H3ASO4, 2H3ASO4. So this is our required product, N2O3. Now what are the other properties, like physical properties and chemical properties, that we let us see the other properties of the dinitrogen trioxide. So when you are going physical properties, okay, physical properties, so too much physical properties we don't have to study, only we have to study the elementary properties like color. What are the color in the, if it is the solid N2O3, if you talk about solid N2O3, this is blue in color, this is the blue in color. Okay, and this is the blue color. And when you are talking about N2O3, and this is what is oxidation state, 3 to the 6 by 2 plus 3. So this is the more than one oxidation state. Nitrogen oxides are what is, they are the acidic in nature. So that is the, this is the acidic, N2O3 is acidic, and solid N2O3 is blue in color. So this is what the physical properties. Now let us move for the chemical properties and see what is chemical properties and structure. So in chemical properties, only one important properties is there, and that properties is, that is effect of temperature. So if you see N2O3 and you put the heat on this, okay, so if you are putting heat on this, so what it will do, it will give, that is NON NO2. This is the compound it will give, means nitric oxide and nitrogen dioxide. So this is what about the chemical properties. Now we need to understand the structure of dinitrogen trioxide. So let us understand detail the structure of dinitrogen trioxide. So here I am putting the heading, structure of N2O3. So what is structure of N2O3? If you see number of atom, or directly you write the number of valence electron. number of valence electron. Number of valence electron, how many number of valence electron is there? 2 nitrogen, so 2 nitrogen means 5 valence electron train, plus oxygen 6 valence electron 18. So total number of valence electron is 28. This is now number of electron required for octet. Electron required for octet. How many electron required for octet? So if you see total number of atom, how many atoms are there in this case? This case there are 5 atoms are there. So total number of electron is 40 electron. Okay. Lack of electron. Okay. Lack of electron. How many electron are missing? So 40 electron minus 28 electron. If you go, so 40 minus 20, it will come 12 electron. Okay. Up now, so number of double bond means this required electron can be nullified by double bond. So no, number of bond, not double bond. Simple, you put down the heading number of bond. So by sharing, how many bond will be there? 12 by 2, because each bond is 2 electron. So 6 bond. Total bond in this case will be the 6 bond. Total bond pair is 6, and remaining 6 will be remaining whatever the out of 28, out of 12 is 6 is the bond pair. How much will be the lone pair that we have to represent? So let us see, that is nitrogen is less electronegative, so nitrogen will be center, and what other two side there will be the oxygen. So 6 bond, firstly we are putting 2 bond here, 1 bond here, 2 bond here. If you see, so how many bond we have kept here? 2, 2, 4, 5, 6. 6 bond we put. Now total valence electron was 28. Okay. So 5, 5, 10, 10 plus 6, 3 is 18. Okay. So 28. Now remaining electron we have to put in the form of lone pair. So here is also, here is single bond means 6. So that is 12. 12 is the bond pair. 2, 4, 2, 6, 2, 8, 8, 4, 12. 12, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. So 27 and 28, 1 electron will be on each atom. But here if you see, here valency is completed. This case 4 to 6 to 8, but here is 4 to 6 to 8. Now it is complete. Now what is this is the our structure. What would be the other resonating structure also it will give? So nitrogen, single bond nitrogen, this side you put double bond, this side single bond, and this side double bond as it is. So 2 lone pair electron like this. Here will be the 6 lone pair electron, and here will be the 2 lone pair electron. And nitrogen you see 4 to 6. So here is the lone pair electron. So this is the structure of dinitrogen trioxide. Now if you want to see the what are the bond length in case of the nitrogen, here is oxygen, here is oxygen, this is also oxygen. What are the bond length? Here is 105. Okay. See, this is the one, not 105, 121 picometer, 121 picometer. Nitrogen and oxygen bond length 121 picometer, and nitrogen 186 picometer. So this is the bond length. Here is the 130 degree bond angle. So this is all about the study of dinitrogen trioxide. Thank you so much for watching, friend.